Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Going Guitar. We're gonna continue the Wish weeks, the Wish song galore. We have usually the Wish songs on Wednesday, Wish Wednesday, but now we're gonna bump it up a little bit. So we're gonna give more out to you guys to listen here. So this time, you, Mudusalo Tetseo, I think that's your name. Pretty close there. You wish for a song that I recognize very well, but I'm a bit confused actually, because when I searched for it, I know that Kingston did this, and it's called Shawty Like a Melody, okay? That's how I recognize the song. But I also saw that Iyaz made this one. It's called Replay, and it's basically the same song. So I hope this is the song. I'm pretty sure of it, that this is the song you mean. Anyway, doesn't matter if it's Sean Kingston or Iyaz, we're gonna learn how to play it. And we're gonna do that with the capo set here on the second fret. So that is the startup, and with that we're gonna have the four famous chords: E minor, C, G, and D. And before we go on here, if you enjoy this kind of setup where we have songs, where you wish for songs and I bring them up for you, feel free to leave a comment already if you have any song you want to learn, and feel free to support me as well. It makes a lot difference for me, it gives me motivation to go on here. So give me a like on this tutorial if you like it afterwards. Now let's continue with this tutorial. Let's go over the chords, and we're gonna start with E minor. That is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Next chord will be C. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. We have G next. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, third E, and the final chord will be D. D is played open D, second G, third B, and second E. Okay, and that will be the chord progression through the song. We're gonna learn the strumming pattern, and it's over two chords. It covers two chords because we have two different parts of it. So we're gonna look at the first transition here from E minor to C. So E minor is played part one like this. All right, and that's it. So down, down, up, clap. And then you switch chord, in this case to C, and play part two, which will be down, down, clap, down. So first one down, short pause, and then down, clap, down. So together it sounds like this. And then you basically apply the same principle for the next two chords, which will be G, part one, play in the same way as E minor, and then the final chord D, part two, play that in the same way as C. So G, down, down, up, clap, and then D, down, down, clap, down. And that is basically it. So I'm gonna give you a couple of rounds of this so you understand how it goes. Let's go from the beginning. Alright guys, Sean Kingston or Iyaz, Shawty Like a Melody or Replay. I hope you enjoyed this. Mudusalo Tetseo. And this was special for you. Good oldie. We love that. So you're welcome back. Feel free to support me here on Going Guitar. Until next time, play tuned.